Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we're here with a speaker comparison. We have the JBL Boombox 3 and the JBL Partybox Encore. Now, I know these two speakers are really not in the same class because this is really an outdoor waterproof speaker and this is really an indoor karaoke speaker. But, they do both have handles. They're both easy to kind of carry around. You can use both of them for similar scenarios. So I kind of just want to bring them to you together in case you were wondering which one would be better than the other or what the differences are between the two. So obviously the JBL Boombox 3, this is completely waterproof. It's more metal. This does have a metal handle on it. And the Encore is plastic. Everything is plastic on it. There's no metal handle at all. But this one does have the mics because it's a karaoke machine. So this one's an outdoor machine. This one's an indoor karaoke machine. So just some spec differences between the two. Let's go weight first. Encore, 13.89 pounds. Boombox 3, 14.7 pounds. IPX rating. The Encore is only an IPX4. That means it is not dust proof at all. It is only water resistant, splash proof, I guess you could say. Boombox 3, IP67, completely dust proof, completely waterproof. That's 3 feet up to 30 minutes. Fully submerged tweeters. The Encore has 2 by 1.75 inch tweeters. The Boombox 3 has 2 by 0.75 inch tweeters. The Encore does not have any mids at all versus the Boombox 3 has 2.75 inch mids. And subs, the Encore has one 5.25 inch sub and the Boombox 3 has an oval sub that's 7.45 inches by 5.6 inches. Now, obviously here, being that the Encore does not have mids, you're not going to have the same sound separation as you are going to have on the Boombox 3. Maximum watts, Encore is only 100 watts versus the Boombox 3 is actually 180 watts. Now that is plugged in. You need to have both of these speakers plugged in to get the full potential out of them. Charge time for the Encore, 3 hours is 10 hours of playtime. Boombox 3, 6.5 hours gives you up to 24 hours of playtime. And now the frequency range is a little bit different between the two. The Encore is 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz versus the Boombox 3 gives you a little bit deeper bass at 40 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Now, as far as apps that you're going to be able to use for the Encore, you're going to be using the Partybox app. And for the Boombox 3, it is going to be the Portable app. And for pairing speakers, if you want to use more than one speaker, you want to pair 2 of them together. The Encore does use TWS versus the Boombox 3 uses Party Boost. So that's pretty much it for the specs of these speakers or the spec differences. Now we're actually going to do a sound test. So we're going to play the same songs on both of these speakers, alternating between the two, and you guys will be able to judge for yourself which one sounds better. So please sit back and enjoy the music.
I'm feeling alone, left in you to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. All along for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
The Boombox 3 has a little bit more of a kick. It seems to have a little bit more energy, a little bit more power, versus the Encore seems a little bit more refined. Now, one thing to mention about the Encore is that since it does have a bass port in the back, if you put it in a corner, it actually is going to give you some deep bass, versus the Boombox 3. It has the passive radiators on the side, so that's not going to be the same for it. It does seem to have more bass coming from the back of it for whatever reason, but I have to just say that the Boombox 3 I think has a little bit more of a kick, and the Encore is definitely going to be better for karaoke purposes. But you guys can listen to the sound test and make your own decision which one of these two you think will work better for you. Now, if you're planning on taking it somewhere where you want to make sure that even if it gets completely wet, even if it's in the rain, even if it's in the sand, no matter where you bring it, the beach, the pool, wherever you want to take it, you don't have to worry about it. That's going to be the Boombox 3. If you're going to be using it for karaoke purposes, you're going to mainly keep it indoors. You probably don't want to get water on it at all, even though it is IPX4 splash resistant, then you're probably going to want the Encore. Now, one other really big thing to consider is price difference, because the Boombox 3 does come in at a whopping approximately $200 more than the JBL Partybox Encore. So that is another consideration that you want to bear in mind there as well, is a big price difference between the two. If you would like to see the full review for either one of these speakers, I will have links to both of them in the description. And if you're interested in purchasing either one of these speakers, I will also have links where you'll be able to purchase them in the description as well. If you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links, as they do generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.